Learn what's needed to build a solar power plant for hydrogen and electricity production. Hydrogen generation is a $125 billion market. Want to get in on the action? We've condensed over 10 years of R&D in concentrated solar power. We'll show you how you can apply for funding to develop and manufacture concentrated solar power technology for hydrogen, electricity, and thermal energy production. Our trusted solar technology has been used by some of the world's most renowned universities and multinational corporations. In this online course, you'll gain priceless knowledge for you to make a profitable business. You'll learn about the disruptive technologies for hydrogen and electricity generation, how to calculate the levelized cost of energy. You'll have an insider's look at the manufacturing process, and you'll learn how to perform a site installation. We'll guide you on how to get investor and government funding, as well as how to market your technology. Click the Learn More button to get started.